Good morning. Now we are in the depths of New George Street, right in the bottom corner. You can probably tell by that pile of rubbish behind me. I'm going to take a little look around, little stroll up New George Street to see what's about. Now I'm going to spin you around already before I pass it. Shows the last time I was down here, that used to be a KFC. Now it's a OB Burgers or Bob's Burgers. Didn't even realise. Still got the Burger King, Paddy Power, Cash Converters, Premier. All your drag ends. Let's have a little stroll up. Only early, 8 o'clock. There's not many people about, thankfully. Let's see. At the entrance to the market. Mackie D's. Don't really venture down past the Sundial these days. I mean, ain't really a lot going on down here. As you can see, Betfred, some kind of slots place. Yeah, always great. Always good for your high-end clientele. Difficult to see what's actually still, what businesses are still operating, because it's, I mean, it is only, it's 8:05, so I don't know whether they're just closed because it's early or if they're actually shut. There you go, look, if you want a better bargain. Household toiletries, kitchen, stationery, sweets. Absolutely mingers. That takes you down the Royal Parade. Phone and vapes, look, get it all in one shop. Poundland. Now, as you know, I love Plymouth. This doesn't paint the best picture of it, but this is only like the bottom half of the city centre. I like to show you everything, the good, the bad and the ugly. We're coming up to the Sundial now, in the centre of town. Quick video, early morning stroll. Get the steps in, bit of fresh air, out and about. House of Fraser, last standing department store in Plymouth. Now that Debenhams is gone. It's actually up for sale though, but it's been up for sale for years. So I don't know how much longer it's going to last. It's all the new pedestrianised bit. All just been done. Very nice. So then you go up to the top here, this takes you up to the Mall. Like I said, where we started, down the bottom of New George Street. Don't really tend to venture down past the Sundial these days. Right. So there you have it, not much up here. Takes you up to the Mall. So we'll wrap this up. But if you're watching and you haven't yet, hit subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000. That's the next milestone. Yeah, keep marching on.